Hello developers. Today we're going to explore how to view PDF files in .NET Maui. So before we begin, please note that I'll be using Visual Studio 2022 with Iron PDF installed. You can install Iron PDF through the NuGet Package Manager. And to ensure a seamless experience, I always recommend downloading the latest versions of both Iron PDF and Visual Studio. So let's go ahead and start. From the Solution Explorer, we'll open up our main page XAML file. And this file contains the front-end code of our application. In this project, I've implemented a stack layout, so using both vertical and horizontal stacks to arrange our UI elements. So let's move to the back end. So navigate to the main page xaml.cs file. And here's where our back-end code places. So as you can see, we have a main page class which inherits from content page. We also declare a file path string variable which will store the full path of the PDF file. With our main page constructor, we have initialize component, which is the default initializer for UI. And open and read file function is triggered when we click on the open PDF button. And this async function begins by opening a file picker where you select your desired PDF file. The selected file name and full path is then stored. And if you look at the region section, here we are setting the license key, which you can buy from the Iron PDF website. We are reading the PDF file using the PDF document.fromFile method, and then we extract all the text from the document using the extract all text method and display it in our front end. All right, so now let's run our project, and we'll wait for it to load. All right, our application is now up, and we click on the Open PDF button, and we'll select a PDF file, and this selected file's name appears, and its content is displayed in our application, and you can see the PDF name and content showing up on the screen perfectly. So you can experiment with different PDF files to check Iron PDF's capability of extracting their content, and it's really as simple as it looks. You can select even a complex PDF file and it'll extract all the content and show up to you. So we hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software.